Hello, I'm going to show you how to make waterproof matches. First you need a candle. Take a match and light it up. Wait for the wax to melt and then take another. Put the melted wax on your top of the match. So you have waterproof matches. I'm going to demonstrate how. Put it into water and then make it a few times like this and then strike them. Look, and it burns a lot better because the wax doesn't let the match to burn very fast, and it will burn longer. So waterproof matches, it doesn't cost anything. Thank you for watching.